amid the Ram Navami celebrations that will be taking place in West Bengal, there has been a war of words that has been raging on between the TMC and the BJP. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while hitting out at the TMC, said the people have got the permission from the court to carry out Shobha Yatras on Ram Navami that will be taken out in different places of West Bengal. He also asserted that despite all of the attempts that was done by the TMC, this was the first occasion when Lord Ram was seated in Ayodhya and the grand procession will be taken out. On the other hand, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee continues to fearmonger and has alleged that the BJP intends to stoke communal tensions. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, during a rally in Bengal, alleged that based on BJP's instructions, the DIG of Murshidabad was changed and now there are riots in Murshidabad and Malda and the responsibility will squarely lie with the Election Commission of India. She also added that the BJP wanted to change the police officers to trigger riots and violence across the state.
बंगाल में राम नवमी की शोभा यात्रा की परमिशन नहीं मिलती, उसके लिए श्रद्धालुओं को कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है। लेकिन रामनवमी और दुर्गा पूजा की शोभा यात्राओं पर पत्थर फेंकने वालों को टीएमसी सरकार ने पूरी परमिशन दे रखी है।
आज हमारे एक डीआईजी को भी मुर्शिदाबाद रेंज में चेंज कर दिया बीजेपी का बातों पे। अगर मुर्शिदाबाद मालदा में दंगा हो जाए तो इसको जमींदारी इलेक्शन कमीशन को लेना होगा कि हमको पता है कौन दंगा संभाल सकता है। आप जानबूझ के बीजेपी का बात पे आप चुन चुन के ऑफिसर चेंज करता है।
Now, as far as the war of words that have been taking place in West Bengal, there has been a nod coming directly from the court itself for taking out the Shobha Yatra. However, there has been conditions that have been kept forth and all of these conditions must duly be followed. Let's take you through the conditions there. The procession should not have more than 200 participants. Even when it comes to display of any sort of weapon which is not allowed in the processions or in the julus. Raising provocative slogans during the use of DJ that has also been banned, and only one vehicle carrying the idols that will be allowed. This is coming in the directions from the Calcutta High Court. Meanwhile, as far as we talk about the TMC, which has also claimed that it will participate in the Shobha Yatra along with the Howrah candidate Prasoon Banerjee in the presence of star campaigner Shayoni Ghosh along with other leaders as well in Bengal sports minister as well. The BJP, however, maintains that the real motive of the TMC rather is to instigate riots and pin the blame on the BJP. Listen into the war of words.
प्रधानमंत्री गलत कह रही है। दुख की बात है कि वो इस तरीके से भाषण रख रहे हैं। दूसरी बात है, एक समय यही भाजपा कहती थी कि यहाँ बंगाल में सरस्वती पूजा नहीं होती। तो हम लोग विभिन्न समय में देखे हैं कि वो इस तरीका का आक्रमण करते हैं। तृणमूल कांग्रेस सब धर्मों में विश्वास करती, सब जाति भाषा सबको लेकर विश्वास करती। वी बिलीव इन कम्युनल हार्मनी। यही एक बात है। लोकसभा के प्रचार में आके इस तरीके के गलत व्याख्या देना और एक पार्टी के संबंध में मेरे ख्याल में ये सही नहीं है।
Well, let me go across to Adrija now. Adrija, good morning. Today also is the occasion of Ram Navami. There have been several of these Shobha Yatras and processions that have been planned across Bengal. Take us through the details, please.
Well, absolutely. You see, today is the day of where Ram Navami is being celebrated in West Bengal in a grand scale across party lines. In fact, also, just on this side, I will show you that this is the Hanuman Temple where people, where the yatra that was organized by the TMC has come and has just concluded. And at the same time, Prasoon Banerjee, who happens to be the Howrah candidate from Howrah constituency of TMC, he himself was present in the entire rally and ensuring that the rally was as long as 2.5 kilometers. And this entire rally where people from the neighborhood also came out showing support. Everyone is happy in the celebration. We also tried and spoke to the people, the women who were walking in the rally. They also said that, something like this is being organized for the first time by the TMC, and therefore they are really happy that they are being able to celebrate Ram Navami as well. And today, if you talk about today, across the state of West Bengal and across Kolkata also, in several districts, various Ram Navami rallies have been organized by several organizations.
Right, but the war of words that has been taking place, are there special arrangements, especially done by the police or the security forces there, in the view of the processions or the Shobha Yatras that will be taken out, Adrija?
Well, absolutely, police deployment in every crossing has been made sure, just like the court has ordered. And also, the number of people who can participate in the rally was also fixed by the court, that is 200 people only. And also the court have said that police, if required, can take help from the CAPF police with, the central police. And of course, to ensure law and order situation and peace is maintained across all these rallies that keeps happening. So of course, police, we are also seeing, while we were covering the rally, police were deployed in every corner to ensure that no traffic congestions are caused, and at the same time, harmony is maintained across the state.
Right. Are there set routes as well that has been decided? Because we would want to talk on that as well. Let's also get in the reactions that has now come in from the BJP side, because there have been a lot of blame game that seems to be happening also on the very occasion of Ram Navami. Let's also listen into the side of the BJP, where they have been saying that this is Mamata Banerjee's government or Sarkar which wants to instigate communal passions in the state.
चीफ मिनिस्टर का स्टेटस का एक पॉलिटिशियन अगर ऐसा बर्ताव करे तो उसको तो सारे चुनाव प्रक्रिया से निकाल देना चाहिए था चुनाव कमीशन का। चुनाव आयोग का काम क्या ये देखना, ये रेगुलर वो इंस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, उसी का कारण आज NIA, ED ये लोग का ऊपर आक्रमण हुआ था, उसी का जो खून बहा है उसका कारण भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली दे आर प्रोवोकेटिंग all miscreants of the society just to create a riot. Desperately they want a riot.
Well, the BJP here, as far as maintenance of peace and maintaining law and order in the state of West Bengal is concerned, has been saying that this is the clear responsibility of Mamata Banerjee and her government. Let me go across to Swati now. Swati, here is Amit Malviya slamming the Chief Minister, saying that the TMC and the government, who also happens to be the State Home Minister, is squarely responsible for maintaining law and order.
Well, absolutely. If you witness and monitor the developments in the last few years, Ram Navami is a flashpoint between the BJP and the TMC. It's only escalating now ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, turning West Bengal once again into a battleground. And BJP's Amit Malviya says the onus is on the Chief Minister of the state. This is what he's posted, and I quote, "Last year on Ram Navami, West Bengal witnessed large-scale violence. It was also in parts because Mamata Banerjee gave provocative communal speeches just before the celebrations. But just 6 days later, on Hanuman Utsav, there was no violence after Calcutta High Court, on plea of BJP Bengal, ordered deployment of central forces. Recently, NI arrested several people, many affiliated to the TMC, for the violence on Ram Navami. Therefore, the onus of maintaining peace in West Bengal on the occasion of Ram Navami rests entirely on Mamata Banerjee. India is watching." So he's also linking violence to speeches made by Mamata Banerjee and people affiliated to the TMC.
All right, Swati, thanks very much for that update. Adrija, coming back to you on that, because Amit Malviya of the BJP is saying that it is the TMC and Mamata Banerjee's responsibility when it comes to maintaining peace. Mamata Banerjee says that it is the EC's responsibility. If something goes wrong this time, it is the EC that needs to take responsibility.
Well, absolutely, as you were just saying, the war of words between the TMC and the BJP continues, and even today regarding Ram Navami, where further BJP mentions that because Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also happens to be the Home Minister of the state, and therefore law and order situation, in order to ensure proper law and order situation is maintained, it is also her responsibility. But Mamata Banerjee and several TMC leaders, and in fact Mamata Banerjee have also, slammed the Election Commission for changing the DIG of Murshidabad, and have very explicitly mentioned that because the Model Code of Conduct has already been announced, and because elections are announced, then the entire law and order situation is in the hands of the election commission, and therefore if anything goes wrong, Mamata Banerjee have said that
Right.
we know which
Aditya, please
police
to stay on with us. Mr. Majumdar is with us here on the phone line. Sir, good morning to you. As far as today's day is concerned, of course, the directions clearly coming in from the Calcutta High Court. But when it comes to taking out the Shobha Yatras or the processions, sir, how will it be maintained today in the state of West Bengal?
It will be entirely a responsibility of the election commission. Now election commission is entrusted with the looking after these aspects. Procession, after all, the public rally, so-called, they have already, Calcutta High Court has put a stricture how to observe Ram Navami. There should not be more than 200 people in any procession. There should not be any DJ vehicle with loud.
But sir, to hold out such
music.
processions, such rallies or such Shobha Yatras, why does the Calcutta High Court has to come out and give out directions, sir? BJP has been taking up the point where we have Mr. Shukanta Majumdar also joining us here on the broadcast. Mr. Majumdar, Shukanta Majumdar, sir, the High Court has been saying and giving out clear directions. The BJP on its side has been saying that Mamata Banerjee, not just being the Chief Minister, but the same Home Minister as well, is also responsible for the law and order.
Obviously, the Home Minister and the Chief Minister both are the same in the state, and she is responsible. Even in the last time when the Ram Navami processions were attacked in the different part of West Bengal, starting from North Bengal to the South Bengal, Howrah, and we have now this NIA investigation regarding those attacks. And this is the fact that the Hindus of this state facing different constraints when they are trying to observe their religious festivals. So
But Mr. Shukanta Majumdar, the TMC and Mamata Banerjee says it is the election commission which would be responsible.
The thing is that Mamata Banerjee and TMC, both
Mr.
very,
Yes.
very smart,
Yes.
very smart. Understood. So that is there always they ploy during the post-poll violence. A few days after the result,
Right.
at that time the administration was under the election commission, rightly said by the Mamata Banerjee. But the thing is that as the result was out, and
All
the
right,
police officers,
All
the
right, sir.
SPs, they knew that the next chief
So you're saying that the
minister
Chief Minister must take responsibility. Thank you very much, Mr. JP Majumdar, and also to you, Mr. Shukanta Majumdar, for joining in.